Got it! Alright, we are loading up the Z right now, getting ready for our first drift event. So this is a Futura trailer. The whole thing goes on the ground to make loading the car easier. What's up? Why? You should be fine. This will be good. Oh shit. You can pick up the bumper, right? Oh yeah. Here. Can we just hold it up? Alright, go. 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 We just have to get the front tires up. So we're gonna hold the bumper. It is bumpy out here. Holy fuck. We're in like a big truck too, and it's hella bumpy. That's crazy. How do people drive in and out of here? It's nuts. Everyone in the car. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Chris.
Is it recording?
Wanna go? Anyone? Did you catch that one?
I did.
Hop in. I don't know, we haven't changed it yet. Car here with Tommy.
Hey, how's it going?
On a Drift Facebook group, and he's taking me out in his 350Z to show me how it's done. sick, bro. Phat, step on the right pedal. There you go. There you go. Oh.
Back to the skip.
He's good, he's good.
Hydro Me 46. Oh, John said it's welded already. Let me go pick it up.
It doesn't even have a seatbelt, first of all. But
I was just holding the stroller.
Welcome to Phat's YouTube channel.
What's up, guys? So, first day is going pretty good. I decided to go back out on track, and it's a lot funner than being on the skid pad. But now the Z is having an oil leak, so we're starting to see some smoke in the engine bay. So it also almost overheated because it's like 85 degrees out here right now. So we're gonna let it cool down and then probably take it easier on the car, maybe like give more brakes, because basically we've been here for the last 2 hours and we've just been running it like non-stop. So yep, that's the status update. This is so fucking fun.
he's gonna get it. Attaboy.
Look at the damages. Exhaust is hanging off. Well, back to square one. We lost the rear bumper completely. The front bumper we took off just in case. And the front tire DB'd. So good thing we had an extra set of rears. And yeah, that sums up my first drift day. That was like the most fun I feel like you could have in a car, and I can't wait to come back. Looks like we're gonna have to spend more money on this thing. So I think I'm gonna paint the rear, clean up the dash bar, clean up all the stuff wrong with it. Found out we have an oil leak, so it's just more things to work on, more content. And yeah, thanks for watching.